Hello, prep career students. This is understanding your paycheck intro and vocabulary. So for this one, I want you to watch this introduction to understanding your paycheck, and then we are going to review these words. So this is through BizKids, and these are the term definitions. So benefits. Benefits are services or privileges that an employer provides in addition to the employee's salary or wages. Earnings statement. That's a document given to an employee by an employer showing wages and payroll deductions. Federal income tax. That's a paid deduction required by law that supports the federal government, and that comes out of your paycheck. Gross pay. That's the total amount of pay you have earned during a pay period before any deductions. So that's what you get when you take the hours you work times your hourly rate, and that's what you get, your gross pay. Insurance. It's an agreement to protect a person or business from specific risks in exchange for regular payments. The net pay. Well, let me just go back to insurance. So that could be like it could be life insurance, it could be health insurance, it could be dental or vision insurance. So that's what insurance they're talking about. The next one, net pay, the amount of income that you actually take home after pay deductions. So those are things that come out after, like if you take out insurance and your taxes. Once they take out all those deductions, this net pay is what you take home. That's the money that goes into your bank account. So payroll deductions, that's the amount of money withheld from an employer's gross pay. So those are all the things that come out of your paycheck, like your insurance, your taxes, all of that stuff. That money comes out, and then when they take that money out, it's called payroll deductions. And deductions, you're subtracting it. You're subtracting it from your paycheck. Okay, retirement savings. Money employees set aside or invest for the future for future income. So you can also take a payroll deduction out of your paycheck to put into an account for retirement. It's kind of a way to save up so that when you do retire, and retire means that you no longer work, that you have some money set aside. As we get older, we kind of, would rather enjoy some of life instead of working, working, working. So that's what we call retirement. Typically, people retire around the age of 65-ish. It can be earlier than that, it can be later than that, but it's around 65. Social Security tax. That is a federal tax that supports the elderly, disabled, or orphan citizens. State income tax. A pay deduction required by law that supports the state government. So state, you see state and federal. So when you see those two things, state means the state that you live in. So we live in Indiana. So that refers to Indiana income tax, okay? Now, when you talk about federal, when you're talking about federal, you're talking about the entire United States. So we pay into the entire United States with the tax that they charge us, and we pay into Indiana tax. So we pay to um, provide money to the state of Indiana too. So our state and federal, which is the whole United States. All right, so with this assignment, there's multiple pages. We have our definitions, we have our word search, we have matching, and we have a word scramble. So those are all the things that you would normally be required to do, but I did instead, if you're just doing online, we're just gonna match the word to its definition. So we have all these words: benefits, earning statement, federal income tax, gross pay, insurance, net pay, payroll deductions, retirement savings, social security tax, and state income tax. You're going to drop down this list and you're going to find, okay, let's see here. Oops, it might not have saved. Okay, hold on just a second. Okay, so I accidentally forgot to save this when I did it the first time. Fun stuff. So all of these words need to match to their definition. So benefits, and then go through this list and try to find the right definition that matches that word. Then go to the next one, and so on and so forth, okay? And you can use this as if you want to help you, okay? And then submit the quiz when you're done. And let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to watch this introduction to understanding your paycheck. And I'll see you on the next assignment. Bye.